Stop. If you're thinking about buying AI School Builder, there's something you need to know first. iSchool Builder claims that it can build an AI-powered online school that could actually become Teach Live, answer questions, grade assignments, manage the school and generate recurring income. But here's the real question. Is AI School Builder actually capable of building a real AI-powered online school, or is it just another overhyped AI launch? I'll show you exactly what's inside, how it works, the pros and cons, who it's best for, and whether it's actually worth your investment. Plus, if you decide to pick up AI School Builder through my link, you'll also receive my exclusive bonus package worth $599 absolutely free. Let's dive in. What is AI School Builder? iSchool Builder is an all-in-one platform for launching online schools powered by AI. Instead of just hosting videos, AI teachers deliver lessons, answer questions, create quizzes and track progress across multiple subjects. Key features: custom branding, domains, payment integration, traffic tools and commercial licensing. Build schools for math, science, history, coding, languages and more, all managed from one dashboard. Benefits: why people are interested. Automation: AI teachers handle lessons, questions and activities. Scalability: reduce instructor scheduling and management. Branding: custom name, logo, colors and domain. Multilingual: teach in 30+ languages worldwide. Commercial license: build and sell schools. Launch an online education business with less manual work. Inside AI School Builder you'll get School Builder. Launch a branded school with classes and students. iTeachers. Human-like instructors for multiple subjects. Live voice plus Q&A. Interactive lessons with real-time support. Automation. Quizzes, assignments and progress tracking. Payments and SEO. Collect fees and attract organic traffic. Commercial license. Build schools for yourself or clients. One platform for teaching, branding, payments and automation. Honest pros and cons. Let's be real. Pros: automation. AI teachers handle lessons, questions and quizzes. All in one. Hosting, payments, student management and branding in one dashboard. Commercial license. Build schools for yourself or clients. Cons: content review. AI drafts need personalization before publishing. No instant income. Building a profitable school still takes effort. Results: what to expect. iSchool Builder helps you launch an online academy faster by automating teaching, quizzes and student management. It can create AI-powered schools for clients. Now let's talk about my bonuses. Bonus 1: AI School Launch Blueprint. Value: $299. Step-by-step guide to launch your school fast, structure profitable courses, set pricing and retain students. Bonus 2: Student Traffic Accelerator Kit. Value: $300. iPrompts, organic traffic strategies, social media templates, email swipes and lead gen checklist to attract students. Total value: $599 free when you grab AI School Builder through my link. So, is AI School Builder actually worth buying? If you're looking for a platform that helps you build a fully branded online school with AI-powered teaching, automated quizzes, student management, payment collection and commercial rights, then yes, it's definitely worth trying. So if you want to check out AI School Builder, click the first link in the description below and claim all my exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next review.